Because you can't do that.
I need to make a
By law,
ruling.
you can't do that.
I need to make
and you
a
know
finding.
you can't.
All right, I'm going to excuse everyone. Mr. Brooks is being removed from the courtroom.
It was a trial full of disruptions and heated exchanges between Darrell Brooks and Judge Jennifer Dorow. The judge calling it the most challenging case of her career, guiding proceedings for weeks leading to yesterday's guilty verdict. New at 5 today, our Bruce Harrison talked to a former criminal trial judge about Judge Dorow's handling of this high-profile case.
I presided over multiple criminal cases for 11 of those 21 years, whether it be a homicide or a sexual assault.
Judge Mary Kuhnmuench has seen her share of difficult defendants, even ones, she says, like Darrell Brooks.
He was on the higher end of very difficult defendants.
Before Judge Jennifer Dorow, Brooks yelled, took off his shirt, and more.
Including what she had to endure at one point in the trial, which was not unfamiliar to many judges, the classic defense stare down.
But Judge Dorow, instead of reacting, took a break. She took a lot of breaks, all part of a strategy, says Kuhnmuench, albeit one that eats up time.
You have to get up, take multiple breaks, make sure your staff is taking breaks so that you can be clear-headed and not make a rush to judgment or do something that's going to cause an issue on appeal.
Kuhnmuench says there's no other way if you want to make a bulletproof record that can stand any appeal.
What kind of toll does that take on a judge?
Significant, significant. I won't lie to you. That you are a human being first. You're listening to some very difficult things, the deaths, the very traumatic deaths of other human beings.
Brooks' bad behavior, his choice to represent himself, and the scope of the charges all made for a long trial. But Kuhnmuench says Dorow knew any mistakes would fall back on the victims.
You think about the difficulty of the families of the victims having to go through this once, and now because of an error that you made in the rush of the events of the trial.
The victims will have a chance to make statements during sentencing. After that, Brooks will have a chance to appeal, something he said he plans to do. Reporting in Milwaukee, Bruce Harrison, TMJ4 News.
Bruce, thank you. And as the community moves forward, TMJ4 is honored to broadcast this year's Waukesha Christmas Parade live. Steve Shamraz and I will be your hosts. You can watch it right here on Sunday, December 4th, starting at 4 o'clock.